over, I was living with my folks. I yelled upstairs, "Hey Ma, I'm off to grab some smokes." And my father called, "Why you gotta smoke so late?" Well, I lied, I had a date. Free of my folks' enslavements, skipping along the pavements to see a brunette that I'd never met, but I never would forget how she looked in that dress. How she stuck out her hand and said, "My name is Cecily Smith, and I hope you like music, 'cause I've got 2 tickets for the Traviata." That's when I said, "I hate opera." She laughed and said, "Well, lucky for you that you're with Cecily Smith. Who cares what you are listening to? It's who you're listening with." We take our seats, her hands are folded in her lap. If not a kiss, then I believe we'll get a nap. So I close my eyes as the orchestra begins. Then I hear violins, and the hair on my neck was rising, a feeling new and surprising. But it wasn't the sound that made my heart pound. No, it was because I found that her hand was in mine. And that's where it will stay until they play the final chord. And she says, "Were you bored?" And I say, "I guess it wasn't quite as bad. It was the best time that I ever had." She laughed and said, "Well, lucky for you, I got seats to Beethoven's Fifth. Who cares what you are listening to? It's who you're listening with." A perfect wife, a perfect life. Life exploded like a bullet from a gun. A month, a year, and then a marriage and a son. A rental where I still can hear her laugh when I play the phonograph. And I let the music guide me as Cecily sits beside me. A girl of 19 with a nervous marine, feel her head begin to lean as the melody soars. And though it was real, it doesn't feel like it could be. That night when you said to me, "I've got 2 tickets for the Traviata." It's sad but true, how much I miss you. I miss you, Cecily Smith. Life is not the things that we do, it's who we're doing them with.